Hi everyone. Now I discuss about the principle and working of the rotary dryer. What is the function and what is the construction of the and uses of the rotary dryer. Rotary dryer is another dryer equipment of the heating process. So this is the diagram of the rotary dryer. Okay. So first part is the air outlet part and the hot air current. This point is the hot air and here is in this point the hot air is inlet by the heating gas or the steam tubes. Okay, and the middle part is a rotating cylinder cell and the length is 10 meter, and this type of cylindrical cell, rotating cylindrical cell is rotate 10 revolution per minutes. Okay, so first of all, what is the working of the rotary dryer? The product or the substance when you will the dry this type of product and substance by this equipment, then this type of product is called feed, and this feed first of all you have to introduced or placed into the cylindrical rotating cell. Okay, and this cylindrical rotating cell, the length already I have told the 10 meter length and the speed will be 10 revolution per minutes. Okay, and after that, after the placing or after the inside this feed into the cylindrical cell or cylindrical rotating cell, then the current, the hot air is distributed into the cylindrical cell by the current and or steam tubes or the heating gas. Okay, and by this hot air or by this steam, the total particles of the cylindrical cell will be heated or dried. Okay, and heating of the cylindrical cell is done directly by passing hot air current or indirectly by steam tubes or heated gases, and then the rotating cylinder will be circulated through an outer cell, and due to the rotation of the cylindrical of the cylinder, the material is turned over and the drying takes place from the individual particles. This is the working of the rotary tubes, and this is the diagram of the rotary tubes. So this type of rotary dryer is a like tube shape, but middle part is a rotating cylinder cell, and its length is a 10 millimeter, and the revolution speed will be 10 revolution per minute, and hot air is passed through the cylindrical cell for the drying purpose, and it is passed by the current, directly current or indirectly any type of heated gas or steam tubes. Okay, and by the circulation of the hot air, the total particles or substance, that means which is heated or whatever you want substance, any type of particles you want to heat by or you want to dry it by this equipment, this type of particles are dried by this rotating cylinder cell, and after that, the due to this rotation the cylinder material is turned over and the drying takes place from the individual particles. So this is the working or this is the construction part of the rotary drying. And what is the use? The rotary dryer is used for the purpose of the drying purpose obviously, and powder and granule solid. On a large scale operation, the rotary dryers are used for the continuous drying. So this is the one type of advantages of the rotary drying. It is a continuous process, continuous drying process, and mainly powder or granular solid is dried by this equipment. And generally this type of rotary dryer is used for the large scale operation. That means the bulk amount of product when you can dry, then this type of equipment you can use it. Okay, so this is the working or this is the uses of the or construction or principle of the rotary dryer. This is very important part, and this type of rotary dryer equipment is a modified dryer of the tunnel dryer. and different type of industry laboratories. In this case, this type of equipment is used for the heating purpose.